Hello, students of the school that I am in. I will be telling you some details about me. Sadly, there is no background or edit, but I promise you it will still be interesting. Here's one thing about me. I really love drawing. I've gotten better at it. The only tools that I need to actually do good with it is a penny and a lead pencil. Pretty much that's it. Now, let's move on to the second thing. I am very fast. I like running around neighborhoods sometimes. Well, not running around the neighborhood, but you get me. I like to run around and stuff, feel the air, whoosh. And I like walking with my family outside. It's refreshing. Now, on to the third detail about me. I'm very good at video games. Yep, I'm really good at video games, and people say that I am a very good friend. Anyway, fourth detail about me. I really like watching movies, and I really like Halloween because all of the candy flavors, such as nougat and lollipops, and others. I'd love to try the nougat candy bar. I never tasted it before. Fifth detail. The fifth detail about me is that I love music. I love listening to it, you know? Sixth detail about me. I love being on Quaver. It's my favorite TV channel. I pretty much do it and watch it daily. It's so cool. I've also wanted to give a huge shout out to one of my music teachers. Yep, that music teacher is Mr. Laguerre. Hey, Mr. Laguerre. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this recording. Bye.